Hi, I am S. Kirtivasan from National Engineering College, Koilpatti. So I am pursuing final year ECE in National Engineering College. So I am glad to be a part of Nalaiyathiran conducted by IBM and another university. So my topic is real-time river monitoring system. So my proposed objective that is that they have given it in the official IBM portal. So let me briefly explain with that. So see here, yeah, this is my proposed system. So I have to ready this which was we have used Python code for random data generation since no sensors are connected, but I have checked it hardware also. It was completely fine. Then for demo video I am just showing you this random data is generated by the Python code and it is sent to the IBM Watson IoT platform, which we have to install the pre-installed library in Python named WIOTP. It is not pre-installed. We have to install that using pip command, and we have to connect Watson IoT to Node-RED. So it was simple concept using API key, and we have to visualize the data and my objective is to visualize the data in a web UI so that the user can easily analyze the data and results. So this is my login page. This is my login page of web UI. So before that I would like to explain the MIT app, which is a part of our task. So MIT app inventor is a software tool, handy tool and user friendly to create a mobile app which we think. So I have created a login page. Using this MIT app. It's simply using the blocks which be connected in the block that backend. So this is my design. When my username and password is equal are matching, and when I click the sign in button, it will move on to the next screen. This is my screen 2 where I have about to display the temperature, pH and turbidity value, since my project is to analyze the water quality. So this is Node-RED. That's all for about it. So we have come to main concept that which you can see that it's IBM IoT. I used Visual Studio Code for running the Python code. So this is my Python code. I am imported random and imported the IoT library, Watson IoT library. So I have imported the JSON file also. So why JSON means it will send the data as a complete string, and it is easier to move a JSON file over the network. So this is my organization ID and device ID, device type and all, which I have been created it in the IBM Watson IoT platform here. So if I run that particular code, it will generate this random data. So see, I'm running this. So it will generate random data of temperature, pH, and see the message showing connected and connected to the temperature sensor, which is my device in the Watson IoT platform. So it is generating a default random value of temperature 27, pH 3, turbidity 8. So it will now in Watson IoT platform it will show as connected. Let me check with that value. If it's disconnected, it means we have to refresh the page. So no, might be signed off due to long duration. Let I show you. if it has, yes, the user session has expired. I think I opened this tab for a long time, so I have to sign in first to implement. Please wait for the delay. I'm sorry for the delay. Task. Yeah, signed in. Okay, let me go to my organization, that is What's an IoT platform. So if now I can able to visualize the device was connected with that Python code, and also not only Python code, not only Python random generator I have used. So see here, now it is connected, and not only Python code I have used also this work wheel link to generate the data of temperature, and I have initialized here the turbidity and pH value also as a random one. See this, yeah, I have imported random, not it is a C++, since it's a C code embedded C. I have to install as include, I have to include as include standard library.h to enable this random values. So here also, if I run this also, it can also connect to the IOMIOC platform, and the data can be viewed in this. So let me go to my Node-RED. My proposed system is to connect to that IBM IoT. So I have configured this IBM IoT to which I have been API keys generated in the What's an IoT platform. This is my API key and this is my API token. So we can, you can give this details in these here and connect to the your IoT platform. So I have received temperature, pH and turbidity here. I have visualized the chart also. So see here the payload, it has been generated, it will be shown on the debug window. So to know the output, we have to go to Node-RED and we have to visualize this in web UI. That is our primary task. So I created this real-time river monitoring system. This is my home page, and if we click down the drop down menu, it will show also sensor simulated data. So in the sensor simulated data, it will show the graph and temperature, turbidity values. So here, see here, the graph generated here, and if I can vary this graph values, let me check here. Let me stop the Python generator and vary some of the values. Python generator has been stopped, and I have to generate the code using this. Yeah. Yeah, it is loading. It is loading. It's a long time. I'm apologizing for a poor network connection. Please wait for some time. Yeah, it's connecting to my organization. Yeah, the payload has been published, temperature and pH, turbidity. So since it has been published, we can visualize it in the chart. Yeah, see now the values are changing. Before that, temperature is okay. What I have done, temperature function. So yeah, this is wrong. I have to use it as temp since I get the values from that as temp. So now we can deploy. Now we can deploy. We can able to sense the difference in. We can able to sense the difference in the temperature reading also. Yeah. Please wait a moment. I'm going to vary this temperature value. uh, Minus, yeah, it's 14 now and it's 27 now. I have to vary that value. 17, yeah, 23. Yeah, see the temperature variations here. So now it has been connected successfully, pH value 1 and turbidity. So this is my overall project, and user can view a clear colorful dashboard, and from this he can analyze the quality of the water. So thank you.